Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to disable or turn off automatic dubbing on YouTube, a new update features on YouTube 2025. So what is automatic dubbing? So it generates translated audio tracks in different languages to make your videos more accessible to viewers around the world. So if you're already enabled or turned on, then you can turn it off at any time. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on YouTube channel, and then on top right corner, then you can see this YouTube profile and then click. And the next step, then you need to select YouTube Studio. And then once you open up this channel dashboard at left side navigation pane, and then you need to select settings and then click. So here in settings, then you can see this general channel upload defaults, add categories, permissions, community moderations, and then agreements. And then you need to select upload defaults and then click. And then on right side, then you can see this basic info, advanced settings, and monetizations. And then you need to select this advanced settings and then click. And then you need to scroll down and locate this automatic dubbing. So automatically translate your audio tracks into different languages and adds them to your video. On how to disable or turn off, so you can see these two options here that allow automatic dubbing or manually review dubs before publishings. So all you have to do is to uncheck. So uncheck, and then next step, then you can see now this save and then click, and that's it guys. So you can see now settings save, and then we need to check if this already turned off. So go back again here and settings, and then select this upload defaults, and then select advanced settings, and then you need to scroll down, and you can see now that auto dubbing is already disabled or turned off. Alright, so that's it guys on how to disable automatic dubbing on YouTube. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.